how to find zoom effect on TikTok. So let's get to it. I will show you that in a bit. So open your TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, choose Discover, and now tap on the search at the top of the screen and search for Face Zoom. And what you're gonna see is as a first result is the Face Zoom effect. If you don't want to search for this every time you want to use this, just add it to your favorites like I did. And if you want to record video with this effect right now, just tap on the red button to record at the bottom of the screen, and you can now record. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen on the left, the Face Zoom effect is enabled. So have fun with this one, and if you need any help with TikTok app, just comment below this video and I will try to publish that guy very soon for you.